cross, and that one ricocheted, but is recovered by Drury. Drury a drive, turned aside by Ward. A Finnegan off, then on the cycle to Roy. Dropped it back to Kodalik, wrist shot, score! Deflected in front, and a 1-1 tie.
Oh, the energy is back. The shot comes back from the point. Glenn Wesley in front of his goaltender. Chris Drury is there. I actually think that Drury is the one that redirected this puck in behind Cam Ward. But again, a simple play by the defenseman for the Buffalo Sabres. I believe it was Kodalik that was out on the point, just wristed the puck at the net. Traffic in front of the goaltender. I'm not sure if Drury's getting credit, but a simple play, an old-fashioned meat and potato type of power play there, Mike. 1-1 game, and this place is just absolutely jumping.